Hi, I already discussed prefix. If a language is regular, then prefix of L also regular language. How to find prefix of a finite automata? Just change all state to final state except dead state. Let's discuss suffix. If L is a regular language, then suffix of L also regular language. How to find suffix of a finite automata? If it is a NFA, then add epsilon transition from initial state to every state. If it is a DFA, then add epsilon transition from initial state to every state except dead state. Let's do with the example. First language ABA. It just accept ABA. Then what will be suffix of that? Suffix will be ABA, then BA, just A and epsilon. So let's design a finite automata for accepting ABA. Length is 3, we require 4 state. Now this is a NFA that accept ABA. Then for finding suffix, what we'll do, we'll just add epsilon transition to every state. From 0 to 1, just a transition is there, add a epsilon transition. Then from state 0 to state 2, add epsilon transition. Then from state 0 to state 3, add a epsilon transition. Now just check, we can find A, B, A. Then by this epsilon transition, you can find B, A, epsilon, B, A. Then by this epsilon transition epsilon, then you can find A. Then by this epsilon transition, you can just find epsilon. Let's do another example. Here W belongs to alphabet clean closure and W length equal to 2. So string it will accept AA, AB, BB, BA. Then what will be suffix? What will be suffix for that? Suffix will be that string itself. So first it will be AA, AB, BB, BA. Here all string length is 2. So suffix will be just first alphabet from the right side. It will be A or B. Just write AB and it will be epsilon. Epsilon and that string itself will be suffix of all, and that will be also prefix. That will be prefix also suffix. So let's design the DFA for this. For length 2 we require 3 state. Now this is a NFA. To make it DFA, just add a dead state. Now this is a DFA for length 2 string. Now to find suffix, what we'll do, from state 0 to state 1 we'll add a epsilon. Then from state 0 to state 2 we'll add another epsilon transition. Now without epsilon you can find AA, then AB, BA, BB. Now we found these 4. Then for AB, just do the epsilon transition, this epsilon transition, then A or B. So you can find these 2. Then just for epsilon, you can do this transition. We got this epsilon. Let's do another example. A power M, B power N, Mn greater than equal to 0. Any number of A followed by any number of B. Which string it will accept epsilon when both are 0, Mn. Then it will accept AB when M is 1, N is 1. It will accept ABB like this. Then what will be suffix of it? Suppose string is AB, suffix will be B, or suffix can be AB also. Then it can be ABB, then it can be AAB, then it can be B clean closure when A power M is epsilon. Or it is just single A, then B clean closure. It can be A clean closure when B power N is epsilon. Then you can find A clean closure. You can also find epsilon. Let's design a DFA for this. This is a DFA for any number of A followed by any number of B. Now for finding suffix, what we'll do, we'll just add a epsilon transition from initial state to every state except dead state. There is just 2 state, 0 is the initial state, 1 is the final state, and to dead state we will not add epsilon transition. So we'll just add epsilon transition in this. So you can find B, then you can find AB, you can find ABB, then AAB, then you can find B clean closure, any number of B. Then you can find A clean closure, then by epsilon transition it will reach to final state, and you can simply find epsilon from this. So these are some example of finding suffix. For prefix, we are making all state to final state. For finding suffix, just add epsilon transition from initial state to every state. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.